Hi, I'm really hungry and I have some food. Nobody's home. Mom left me with the food, but then I don't want to eat that. So I was just wondering what I should eat. Mayonnaise bread, of course. This is a crazy hack. So this is a plastic knife which you get from like those cake shops for birthdays and anniversaries and stuff like that, for you to cut the cake. This is basically stupid because it doesn't really cut the cake, but it is a great spreader. So the bread is done, but I wish I had some eggs. I do have eggs, but then I don't know how to boil them in the microwave and I'm really scared. I mean, I do know, but I've never tried it on my own. Mom is not home. I'm wondering, should I try it or not? Mom is not going to be home any soon, I guess. I'm not really sure. And I really want to try out some scrambled eggs. So I think that's the best we could do. Let's try. Real quick, I'm not a cook and this is not a cooking channel. Okay, disclaimer, I have not done this before, so don't try it before the video ends. This is something that came out and doesn't look that bad, so I gotta grind it a little bit more and then put it back into the microwave. Not bad, huh? One more time. This is what I've done so far. Totally scrambled it and now I'm gonna put it back into the microwave. I think it looks great. Let me try and mash it up more a little bit with the... I think I should try mashing things up with the spoon now. Let's see. So here the egg is totally scrambled, as that is what I can feel. And I think it's edible right now. It's a little stuck here and there, but that's fine. Like, oh my god. No, it's gonna kill me. Yeah, I think I'll just eat this. This is good. I wasn't expecting it to be. It's good. It's really good. I'm gonna have my food now. I'll catch you guys later.